When managing your finances with VIPs, keeping track of your transactions is essential. Accessing your VIP's transaction history is a straightforward process that gives you full visibility over your payments, receipts, and transfers. Open the VIP's app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged in using your registered phone number and secure authentication method, whether that's a PIN code, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once inside the app, navigate to the History or Transactions section, which is prominently displayed on the main dashboard. This section lists all your recent transactions in chronological order, showing the date, amount, and recipient or sender information. Each entry provides details about the type of transaction, whether it was a payment to a friend, a purchase at a store, or a received transfer. For any specific transaction, tap on the entry to reveal more information, including reference notes or payment confirmations, which are useful for bookkeeping or resolving discrepancies. VIPs also allows you to filter your transactions for easier navigation. You can select a specific date range or search by recipient name to quickly locate the payments you need. This is especially helpful when reviewing expenses for budgeting purposes or tracking payments made for services or goods. For users managing business or high-volume transactions, exporting your history is an available option. Tap the Export button to generate a detailed report that can be saved in PDF or Excel format, providing a comprehensive record of your financial activity in dollars. Regularly reviewing your VIP's transaction history ensures you maintain accurate financial records, catch any unauthorized transactions, and better manage your cash flow. The app's interface is designed for clarity and ease of use, making financial tracking simple and efficient. Consistently checking your history helps you stay organized and maintain full control over your personal or business finances through VIPs.